So every now and again, release in your left arm. It's too tight. Well, what it really looks like to me is that you bring your left arm back too much. Yeah, and bring them together again. See how you go right to your left hand? Go back to your outside rein. Close the left calf. Push him over into the right rein. There you are. And then ask him for the sitting trot when you're ready. Careful. If you're going to use a whip, off the back strongly, make sure you don't pull your hand back with it. Yeah, so you rotate your fist. Yeah, and then trot on. And when he's on the bit, there you are. And then trot on again. And trot on again. I was just going to ask you to do that. I was going to say shorten your left rein. You got me before I could. Yep. And post the trot right now. I'm driving forward. Oh, there's that step again. Whoop. And then trot on. Open up your outside shoulder. Whoop. He switches it. It goes left to right. And trot on one more time. Are you trot him on just one more time so I can see if you get them one more time together. Oh, there it is again. Told you. Okay. And walk. He's off.
Yeah, he's itching. He's itching big time.
Well, Christiane, I didn't know she was filming this, which is great. Because then you can see your position and everything. I mean, you've lengthened out a lot.
Yep. I know I got my stirrups back to long again too. I went short for a while and came back. So I'm getting used to that.
Well, you know, if someone keeps hammering on you, you do come up.
Yeah. Oh, I know. Yeah. I do.
Maybe you need a tape recording.
And I come forward, yeah. I mean, I do get.
Well.
When I did my upstate clinic for Senator Riding, I had a whole bunch of people back there. Okay, no.
That's what you're supposed to feel. You should feel as if someone's taking your ponytail and pulling it down your back, but at the same time, close your chin.
Yeah.
That chin wrinkle. So it's that thing where they say about the string, on the top of your head, but in all reality,
but I've also
it's
told
this to this.
Then I need to mark, yeah. I can do that. I do the chin.
Terrific.
But that's,
Your biggest thing is curling up. I mean,
yeah.
You get here all of a sudden. Particularly in the canvas, but today you laid it out again a lot. Yeah. But your cannon transitions were good.
Yeah.
So you weren't chasing them together.
Mm-hmm.